Good morning from Bogota. To start the day, it's our second day here, and we have a tour planned today. And before that, we have some time, so we're gonna walk around the neighborhood that our hostel's in. It's the Candelaria neighborhood, so we're gonna check that out. And we have some time before our tour.
The tour is called Breaking Borders, and I guess it's like the people that organized it are people that were actually in prison before, and so they got out, and I guess they wanted to organize a tour where they can show people basically like where they're from and the neighborhood where they're from, and just kind of show them like in a not so good area but in a more organized tour so that we're safe and everything.
Yeah, so the neighborhood the tour is in is one that you can't really go to on your own because it's really dangerous, but so the only way you can really go and see around is with the tour. But they also show you how the neighborhood's changing, and they take you like, we're told to go into the people in the homes and see how they live there and everything, so it's really interesting.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go walk around. Break from our tour. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pouring rain right now.
So we're at the Breaking Borders tour right now, and we're like in like the area. It's actually really pretty. There's lots of street art and everything. The tour guide's super nice, and we have a translator, like a kid, and he's doing a really good job. Yeah, and there's like rain coming through, as you can see. It's kind of pouring right now. It was kind of dripping a little bit, now it's pouring, so we're just kind of waiting underneath this canopy.
My school Sunday, Fridays is Sunday. Help my family pagar and pay.
So we just got done with our tour, the Breaking Borders tour. Yeah, so the tour takes us to the bad neighborhood, and the people that operate the tour are actually working towards making that neighborhood better. So the money that they receive, they put towards the community. It's like they built a soccer field for the kids to play. They built a little workshop where they teach like the local people how to like different trades. So it's really cool, it's really fun, it's interesting, and it's also helping the neighborhood.
Right, and the organization started probably about 3 years ago, so it's still fairly new, but they're doing really well, and they're putting all of the money, like you said, towards making the neighborhood better and giving the kids opportunity.
Breaking Borders. Yeah, thank you for taking the tour. I was with the bigger group, and that's very important. I work with Bogota Refugee Tour, and we support them, and thank you, because that is the make that tourism there works is the best way to take them out, definitely from crime and from everything.
Right,
So
absolutely.
thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
That-
So yeah, the tour was really nice. I recommend everyone checking it out and just you know, make sure you go with the tour. Breaking Borders, they're on Facebook, and we'll put their information in the description below so that if you guys do ever come to Bogota, please go and check out that tour.
Yeah.
Yep. I want to get some food now.
Yeah, we're hungry. We're having a late lunch and we're at La Puerta Falsa, like the fake door in Spanish. So we're getting one of the traditional soups. The soup is from Bogota. Multiple people we asked, they recommend this place. And then we found out that they didn't actually live here. We didn't know that until like right now. So we got traditional soup. And I guess they're known for their hot chocolate, so we're going to have to order that too. So I guess it looks delicious. The soup was 26,000 Colombian pesos, about $8. And yeah.